Hi, welcome back to Pink Aura Tarot. My name is Z. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is going to be a general reading for Libras. For some reason, I kind of like skipped over y'all, not meaning to. So this is going to be your general reading for March 2020. I've already pulled out 2 cards for you guys, but then we're going to go into the tarot cards just to see exactly what's going on. If you would like to follow me on social media, you can at Pink Aura Tarot. I would love to connect with you guys on Instagram, so feel free to follow me on there. Before we even get into the reading, let's say a prayer real quick. So here we go. Dear God, please bring peace, love, and light into this space. Keep me and my viewers protected and take away any worrisome thoughts. Only allow high vibrational souls into this channel. We thank you for the healing that has already been given and for your ultimate and divine protection. Thank you. So Libras, the first card that came out, you guys have, this is card number 5. So it says financial and material changes. Hopefully that's focusing. So financial and material changes. At the bottom of the deck we have fertility, which is the Empress. This is like associated with the Empress card within the traditional tarot. So fertility. And then we have peace. I think this came out in your last general reading that I did for you guys. So we have peace. And it says, I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. So for some of you guys, Libras, you guys may have lost something. I feel like you guys lost something or someone. But it's important for you not to focus more so like on the loss. Whatever you lost, this could be in regards to your finances or something that you really cared about, basically. With this fertility card being at the bottom of the deck, it's like you guys are about to give birth to something new. With this fertility card is basically the Empress. So it's like, don't really focus more so like on the loss, because you're going to gain that back. So it's like, whether for some of you guys, it's like you could have lost your peace, or like just like you weren't at peace before. It seems like something had to happen, or something needed to go in order for you to find peace. So for some of you guys, it could have been your finances. This could have been an actual person. But it's like really important for you guys for this month, for March, or this could have happened at any time. It's just like, don't focus more so like on the loss, because you're about to give birth to something new. Something new is going to be given to you with this fertility. A card being at the bottom of the deck. So let's see what financial and material changes are for you. Tell me about financial and material changes for Libra. See, the Empress popped out. So for some of you guys, I feel like you had to, like, you needed to make a decision, or some of you guys were like, I feel like you were taking too long to make a decision about something, and it was almost like the universe took it away in order for you to have something new. We have the Empress that came out. So like I said, the fertility card right here is basically the Empress, and you guys rule Venus. Libra is ruled by Venus. So if you're like an artist too, we got this imagination card that was at the bottom of the deck. I think this came out in your last reading too. It was a general reading that I did for Libras like not too long ago. And basically it was almost like you guys were trying to create your own peace and happiness. But something needed to go. Something needed to change. So with this imagination card, it says, I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. The Empress, she holds a lot of creative energy too. So if you did lose someone or something, it's kind of like, make it, somehow turn it into something that you can gain from, if that makes sense. Like, it's like, even though you lost out on something or someone, it's kind of like turning that into like using that creative energy for whatever you lost and kind of like turning it into something new. Because I'm not really sure what you guys lost. Tell me more about financial and material changes for Libra. Yeah, see, I feel like you guys waited. Somebody waited too long to make up their mind about something. I'm not really sure what this is, but we had judgment that came out. So it's like you guys needed to make a really big decision. Or it's like whatever you lost, it's like it made you have to like hurry up and make a really big decision. And I feel like for some of you guys, it seemed like you were like holding on to whatever this was. Like somebody needed to let something go and you were holding on to it too long. So it's almost like something had to be taken away from you in order for you to even make this decision. Tell me more about financial and material changes. So we have the Strength card that came out. So some of you guys could be dealing with a Leo, or there's like a Leo involved here. You could have been dealing with a Leo, but with this Strength card, it's like you guys, I feel like this could be in regards to someone's health too. With this Strength card that came out, and then with this Peace too, it says, I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. Someone needed to release something or someone that was like very negative. And it's like the universe took something away from you. They caused some type of change within your finances or something material. So it could have been a person or like some type of possession that you have. Something more about financial and material changes. Tell me more about financial. Okay, too many. Tell me more about financial and material changes for Libra. See, I keep seeing this. So we got the Page of Cups that came out. So for some of you guys, you may have a water sign child. I feel like this has something to do with someone's child because this Page of Cups fell underneath the Empress and the Empress is pregnant with something. And then we got fertility. So it's like you guys are, I feel like somebody wanted to have a child. And I feel like I had said this like in a love reading for Libra. It was like somebody wanted to have a child. But the partner or whoever you guys were dealing with, it's like maybe they didn't want to have a child or they were like lying about it. I feel like this is coming up again. Or someone's lying about a child. We got the Seven of Swords that came out at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Tell me more about financial and material changes. I feel like this is about child support for someone. We got the Six of Pentacles that came in. Tell me more about financial and material changes for Libra. I need to see what this Page of Cups is. I feel like this is like a child for someone. Yeah, this is a child for someone. I don't know if for some of you guys, you could have been going through a divorce too. And it's like maybe that hit your finances, because it's like you guys lost something. But it's like you're getting that back. But somebody needs to make a decision. This is definitely about a partnership for someone. We got the Queen of Swords at the bottom of the deck. This Six of Wands came out with the Judgment card. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what I feel like somebody could have possibly lost a child, like if you're in a partnership, but it's like don't focus more so on the loss, because it's almost like it's going to come back around for you. Like it's going to happen for you. It's just not the right time. With this Wheel of Fortune card being here, I don't know why it's not focusing. That could be for some people, because it seems like somebody's trying to get over this loss. What's this Strength card? Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Sorry about that. I just seen 1212. I don't know if that means something for you guys, but I just seen it on my phone. It's 1212 right now. So I'm going to look it up. I may post it in the comment section below if it has something to do with this reading. But we have the Chariot card that came out. I feel like somebody needed the strength to move on. Somebody, for some of you guys, it's like you needed to make a really big decision about moving on, possibly from a Leo or a Cancer. But I feel like you guys got the strength to move on from the situation. But it's like it was a tough decision for you guys. The Two of Swords is at the bottom of the deck again. But this is Libra energy. So it's like you could have been, I feel like somebody was scared of letting something go. What's this Six of Pentacles? See, there was like some type of, I feel like this was some type of custody battle or something going on with someone's finances. But I feel like it was like kids involved or a child involved. See, somebody was dealing, okay, so somebody was dealing with the a water sign. I feel like it's a Cancer because I see the Chariot card and the King of Cups, but it could be a Pisces or Scorpio. Now, this could definitely be somebody from the past that you guys were dealing with. I feel like somebody was somebody had a child with this person. It could have been a water sign, possibly a Pisces. What's this Five of Wands? Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But I feel like somebody was worried about receiving some type of financial support from someone that they could have been possibly married to, or someone that you guys were dealing with. Tell me about peace for Libra. See, some of you guys needed to have a tower moment, but I see someone getting. I feel like you've had some sort of big financial setback. It's like you're getting it back. We got the tower that came in. Like you guys had to experience the tower moment. I feel like I had said that in another reading for Libras. It's like a tower moment needed to happen. I think it was that reading that I did. I think it was like last month sometime, but it was basically like a tower moment that you're going to appreciate. So you guys may be experiencing that tower moment in the month of March, but we have the Ace of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. So it's like if you did experience a tower moment within your like finances, or you lost something material wise, it's like that's gonna be, it's like it's gonna be reborn. You're gonna get that back, with the fertility card being here. Tell me more about peace for Libra. See, the Four of Swords came out. This tower moment is bringing you peace, a peace of mind. But it's like someone had to lose out on something. But it's not even a loss, because you're getting it back. I don't know why this card is not focusing, but yeah, this tower moment is bringing someone a peace of mind. And I feel like you guys have been searching for that too. We got the Page of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Because we have this imagination card at the bottom of the deck, and it says, I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. It's like you guys needed to release or get rid of something, and I feel like you guys were taking too long to do that. And the universe stepped in for you. For some of you guys, it's like you could have been praying to have peace, a peace of mind. What's the Tower? See, for some of you guys, you've been carrying a burden. It's like you've been stressed. This Tower moment is bringing someone peace. It's like some of you guys are like tired, overworked. Like someone's been carrying a burden. This Tower moment is coming in for someone. But it's like a much needed tower moment. It's like someone needs a new foundation. I feel like you guys are, it's like you guys are going to give birth to like a new foundation. What's this Four of Swords? See, I feel like somebody was scared. Somebody's scared to have like a new beginning or to start over. With this Nine of Wands being here. Somebody's scared to start over. I'm going to pull a energy oracle card for you guys real quick. Give me one for Libra. For this spread, please. So we have yin and yang right here. I feel like with this, Libra, you guys are actually going to find balance. But it's like a tower moment needs to come in order for someone to have a new beginning. And it's like you could be very scared or like hesitant. Somebody has their guard up, but it's like you need peace. And then we have hostilities. I feel like this is you. Hostilities is at the bottom of the deck. It's like someone is very on guard with this hostilities card being at the bottom of the deck. So I'm going to leave the reading right here. Hopefully it resonated with someone. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.